Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to insert the Seagate Storage Expansion card into your Xbox Series S. So the first step is you want to turn off the Xbox Series S. You do this by clicking on the Xbox logo and make sure that this LED is turned off. Once you've done this, you want to flip the Series S like this, and you're going to see here the power cord, HDMI cord, and then storage expansion. So you're going to get your Seagate expansion card. There'll be some plastic on this. You just want to gently pull that off. And once you pull that off, this plastic area right here also pulls off. So you can see here, I'm going to use my thumb, my index finger, and use my middle finger support. I'm just going to pull up on this, and there you go. You can see this plastic part will come off. Now we have the actual SSD itself. So what we're going to do here is we're going to line it up. So the 1 terabyte needs to be facing, the text needs to be facing the same way and going left to right. So you can see here, terabyte storage expansion. Just make sure before you insert, the terabyte looks like this. And once you verify that, you just pull down like this. Just pull it down and pull down until you can't pull down anymore. So you can see it's quite clear when it's inserted, and then you're good to go. Now I'll do a couple of other tips and tricks on the Xbox Series S in a minute, but if you want to eject the storage expansion, there's no eject feature. You just need to pull up. So what I do personally is I get my thumb and my index finger, use my middle finger support, I just pull up, and yeah, there we go. So let me put this back in to my Xbox Series S, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks now. Right, so my Series S is turned on. So all you want to do is you want to press the Xbox logo, and then you want to go to My Games and Apps, See All, and then you're going to see here, all storage, 1 terabyte free. So we now have 2 storage devices. You can check this by going into the Manage here, and then click on this, and then select Storage Devices. You're going to see internal storage, 300 gig, and then storage expansion card, 900 gig. So if you want to install games to the storage expansion card by default, you want to select the expansion card, click on this one, and then you're going to see here, install by default, click on this one, and now all new games will move over to the storage expansion card. Make sure you select though, install new things here. Another thing as well which you can do is you can move your existing games from your Series S to the expansion card. How do you do this? Well, select the internal storage and then move a copy, and then you just want to select those games. Let's say Black Ops 3. And what you want to do is you want to hover over to move selected, not copy selected, move selected. Click on this one, move, and then it's going to move to the storage expansion card. I'm going to cancel this transfer, so I'm going to cancel that. However, you get the gist, just wait for it to complete, and then you will be good to go. Of course, if you want games to install on the Series S itself by default, you can do the reverse steps, but instead you select the Xbox Series S. So if I just do this again, so My Games and Apps, See All, and Manage, Storage Devices, click on the external storage, and you can see here, install here by default, just select that one right here. So really, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.